Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by creating a serial node and label it secondary for organized workflow. Open the qualifier and sample the target hue from the timeline preview. Increase the saturation threshold to 25% to capture richer tones without grabbing neutral skin. Expand the hue range gradually by about 15 to 25 degrees to widen selection safely. Add a 3-pixel blur to soften the matte edges and reduce banding artifacts. Monitor the highlight and overlay views to confirm the isolated area looks correct. Switch to the clean black and white matte view to check isolation accuracy. If the selection is harsh, apply 10% feather to soften transitions at edges. Use a denoise slider set near 20% when noisy footage creates speckle in the matte. Tighten the selection by shrinking the matte between 2 and 6% for cleaner boundaries. If you overselect, use the invert function to flip the matte and reassess the area of influence. Verify the matte edges remain natural in motion playback. With the matte refined, apply color adjustments like exposure or tint shifts carefully. Consider a small exposure increase of +0, 25 stops, or a hue shift of about -5 degrees for subtle correction. Use saturation changes sparingly, for example raise by 10 to 25% to avoid unnatural color pops. Track the secondary with a point or planar tracker to maintain alignment through motion, aiming for about 95% accuracy. Finally, composite the graded area back with overall clips at roughly 35% strength to blend corrections naturally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.